What's up, guys? Dill Monster 2 here. So if you guys don't know, Pelican little bass boat, if you ever taken one apart, it is a lot of work. So let me show what I have going on here. So this is what I have going on. I took it apart to inspect the foam. So here's the boat, here how it is, and here's the rest of the foam. So if you take this and you whoops you flip it over, you have this, and this is what you are left with, a big old mess. So long story short, I took the boat apart when I didn't have to, so oh well, time for cleanup, put the foam back in, and then we should put her back together before we put more work into the little boat. But this is the project for the day, so yeah boy.